Welcome to Renew Your Recipe Studio. This is Spice Rack Secret Series, the place to uncover the mystery of spices. Today we're going to dive into the tiny but mighty world of mustard seeds, humble beads that pack a bold punch. From crackling in hot oil to bringing burgers to life, mustard seeds show up in more places than you might expect. They're bold, nutty, and transform both sauces and spices with just a sprinkle. Whether they're sizzling in Indian tempering or stirred into creamy Dijon, these tiny seeds leave a mighty impression. But how did something so small gain such a global fan base? To find out, let's follow mustard's flavorful trail through history. Mustard is one of the oldest known spices, dating back over 5,000 years. Sumerian cooks used it to season meals, while Greek physician Hippocrates valued it as medicine. Ancient Indian farmers cultivated mustard for both food and ritual. Long before ketchup and mayo, mustard was already spicing up civilization. So how do we get from flower to flavorful seed? Let's take a look at how mustard grows. Mustard plants are quick-growing and full of sunshine yellow blooms. After flowering, the plants produce slender pods that dry and rattle with seeds inside. Once harvested and threshed, those little seeds are cleaned and ready to become your next dish's secret weapon. It's a fast, efficient crop with a punchy reward. And not all mustard seeds are created equal. Some are smooth and mild, others bring the heat. There are three main types of mustard seeds: yellow, brown, and black. Yellow seeds are the mildest, great in salad dressings and American mustard. Brown seeds are spicier and commonly used in Indian and Chinese cooking. Black seeds are boldest of all, adding intense heat to pickles and curries. The smaller the seed, the bigger the punch. But mustard isn't just a flavor boost, it's packed with healthy perks too. Mustard seeds are full of selenium, omega-3 fatty acids, and powerful plant compounds. These nutrients may help fight inflammation, support heart health, and even boost metabolism. It's no wonder mustard was once used as ancient medicine. Flavor and function, all in one tiny seed. And nutritionally, just a small spoonful goes a long way. A teaspoon of mustard seeds gives you fiber, iron, and even a bit of protein, all with barely any calories. They're tiny but packed with energy and nutrients. It's one of those rare spices that tastes great and gives your body a boost. Think of them as nature's flavorful multivitamin. And thanks to their versatility, mustard seeds pop up in cuisines around the globe. In India, mustard seeds are essential for tempering flavorful curries and fish dishes. The U.S. loves them yellow on hot dogs. In France, they're ground into silky Dijon. And in Ethiopia, they're part of the bold Berber spice mix. Wherever they land, mustard seeds bring a signature zing that travels across cultures. And this spice didn't just travel quietly, it made waves in history too. During the Middle Ages, mustard was so beloved in France that it had its own professional guild. Today, mustard is one of the top 3 most used spices in the world. It's gone from royal banquets to backyard BBQs without ever losing its charm. Not bad for something that fits on a fingertip. Want to make mustard seeds sing in your own kitchen? Here are some pro tips. Crush mustard seeds to unlock their heat, or leave them whole for a nutty pop when tempering. Toasting them in hot oil brings out an irresistible aroma. Just make sure to store them in a cool, dry spot. Moisture steals their spark. Treat them right, and they'll turn up the flavor in seconds. Through history, across continents, and into countless dishes, mustard seeds continue to prove one thing. From ancient medicine to modern sauces, mustard seeds have powered flavor for millennia. They've connected cultures, built economies, and seasoned everything from street food to fine dining. Their strength lies in their size, and their legacy in every bite. Tiny? Yes, but mighty beyond measure. If you love powerful bites of knowledge, subscribe for more spice-filled stories.
See you next bite.
This story was brought to life by Renew Your Recipe Studio, where good food meets good stories.